We've all been there. We have a Google Drive that has all the content we need, yet it's not organized. So what do? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a tip I learned from Brenda Kovich and her website, Enjoy Teaching, and how it's helped me organize my Google Drive and be more efficient with it. Check it out. The way we're going to be organizing the Google Drive is by subject rather than school year. And I used to do school year, and I realized that I would catch myself going back to previous school years just to get an item that I wanted to do in the current school year. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and use my Arts, Media, and Entertainment class. Here we see the A, and we see a bunch of folders with A. That is that elective class I teach. And I have branding, business marketing, curriculum map, and so on. This helps me out where if I want to do, let's say, something that has to do with business and marketing, content strategies, I know I can just go straight to that folder. I also teach a math and science class. So here we have algebra, geometry, math review, ratios, videos, and word problems. And I also have things like planning, permission slips. Here's the science class I teach, and so on. And that way has helped me keep my Google Drive organized. And if I move on to next year and I'm teaching the same classes, I can actually go ahead and keep the same folders rather than having to go back to a previous school year.